Welcome back, guys. I'm glad to make this video and to show you guys this amazing tool that is going to do a whole lot of work for you instead of you sourcing for or trying to look for ways to get signals on the coins to buy at a particular time or coins to buy every single day. So this update is about LunarCrush. LunarCrush is a site. They also have an app where you get free crypto signals, spot trading signals. Though some people also do use it to trade futures trading, Binance futures or other exchanges like KuCoin futures, but this is mainly for spot trading, Binance spot trading, KuCoin spot trading, or other exchanges. There are a lot of exchanges listed on this website. So before I get to that part, I wanted to make sure that you must have all these exchanges verified. So now in this site you're going to see a lot of trending news about crypto. There are a lot of trending news you can get about cryptos, coins that are going to do well, coins that are doing well already. And this tool, this website LunarCrush, uses social media metrics and analysis to tell you coins that are going to do well. And there is no need going to Twitter searching for this or trying to make some findings about some projects. In fact, everything you need about most of those things you go to Twitter to find or to search for about crypto projects, you can get most of those things on LunarCrush. LunarCrush is such a great tool, very great. It's very so wonderful, like it's amazing. So guys, if you look at it, you're going to find trending news about trending news in the crypto space. You're going to read a lot of things here. Just come to this platform, navigate, read a lot of things about this site. You can as well earn some LunarCrush, some Lunar tokens, some Lunar coins. You can earn some by visiting this site every single day. Browse through this site, get to know some things, and by so doing you are accumulating these tokens, and with time your levels on LunarCrush is going to increase, and as it increases, it's going to unlock some features for you. So this site tells you a coin that is going to do well every single day, which they list every 1 p.m. every single day. They will list a coin that is going to do well, and which is also known as coin of the day. There are a lot of coins that also follows it, like top 10 coins of the day, top 10 coins that they list in a day, but there is always number one, which is coin of the day. So you can just jump in immediately, or you can take time to study these sites on your own. If you have not used it before, take time to study it. I want you to know that some coins do pump high immediately it is listed. It is listed on the sites on this LunarCrush. Some coins pump immediately. Some coins do up to 50%, 100% immediately. Some do increase up to 50%, 100% after a few days. But you should know that even if the coin does not pump immediately, it can get high, it can pump it can go bullish within that week, within 7 days. Most times it does not exceed 7 days. So you can just take out some time to go through this platform and actually understand how it works. So when you click on markets here, you're going to see a lot of coins here, which are already doing well. This one already done over 2,000%, this one 3,000%, 4,000%. So you can come to this page and make your kind of research, and you can get some of these coins. You can also make your own research, find out some things about these projects. So beside these coins are exchanges. These are list of exchanges in this site. These are list of exchanges. This is Binance, OKX, Bybit, FTX, Nami Exchange, and so many of them. Huobi Global, Hits BTC, Bitrue, CryptoMax, so many of them. Coinbase, Upbeat, so many exchanges here. But the number one there is Binance. So what you just have to do is to click on Discover here. Click on Discover to get the coin of the day. Then you go to any of these exchanges which you are using and go there and trade this coin. Go there and trade this coin. So like today now, the coin of the day here is ETC, Ethereum Classic. This is the coin of the day. So when you look at it, you see where it is written the coin of the day, coin of the day. So you can come here and get informations about this coin of the day. So that is it. Then you go to your preferred exchanges and do what? And trade this coin. So let me click on the coin of the day. So guys, please, while this load, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel, because I'll be making as I keep making a lot of video updates about the crypto space and about sites or things that are going to give you values, things you're going to earn from. So please do well to subscribe to this channel. If you like the things I do in this channel, subscribe to this channel, please. Just hit the subscribe button. The subscription is free. It's just for you to get notifications whenever I upload a video. YouTube will notify you so that I can jump into it and get the update, grab the update immediately, as it is hot. So you can see that this ETC coin, Ethereum Classic, already did 59%. This already did 59%. So that's what I wanted to show you guys here, to see how many percent it has done. So I want to go back now to see other things I could show you about these sites. Guys, please, you guys should take this video seriously. Take this video serious. Like, take it very, very serious. If you've never taken anything serious, take this one very, very serious. You're getting this free. You're getting these signals free. You're not paying for it. Just for you to come here and get the coins of the day and go to your preferred exchanges to trade them. Like, a lot of people used to pay people, crypto gurus, to give them signals and all of that stuff. But you can come here and trade these coins and get information about these coins and go to your preferred exchanges and trade them. If you have Royal Q, you can use Royal Q to trade these coins. Whenever you get a coin, whenever you want to trade any coin that is being listed here, so you can use Royal Q or any bots you are using that you prefer to use to run this. As for me, I'm not using Royal Q, but for people who are, if you find people who are using Royal Q, there are a lot of people that use Royal Q. You can ask them to show you how to set it up, and so that the bot can always do the trading for you, even when you are sleeping, even when it's not convenient for you to trade, to monitor the market. So the bot can always do those things for you. So if you scroll down, you're going to find a lot of information here. You're going to read a lot of things, the influencers and all of that. So let me now click on feeds. If you click on feeds here, you're going to see a lot of information. There are a lot of things to read, a lot of things to read. Those things that usually go to Twitter to research, to make your findings, though this doesn't stop you from going to Twitter to make whatever findings you want to make, but this site already made it easy because it uses social media metrics and analysis to tell you coins that are going to do well every single day. So every 1 p.m. you can come here and pick a coin and go and trade them. And please also do well to make your own research. Like I always say, it is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am telling you things that I've seen that is working, and I'm sharing this. I'm sharing the update with you guys. You can as well do your own research, but from my own view, it is actually working and people are testifying. So you guys can as well jump into it and start running this. And you should bear in mind that any coins you are trading, it must not pump within that 24 hours. Sometimes it takes up to 7 days, sometimes 5 days, but most times within a week it must do well. So some of those coins usually do well within 24 hours or in less than 24 hours, and some do well after 24 hours. So please, whichever coin you want to start trading, you can take time to make your own findings about the coin and go and trade them. But most times when they list a coin of the day, it usually do well. It usually do pretty well. So guys, please, I want to remind you again to please subscribe to this channel so that you will be the first to get notified each time I upload a video update in this channel. So guys, this is the update I have for you guys today. So please, I would like to see you in my next video, and please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, very important. And one more thing, if you have any questions, go down the comment section and type whatever questions you have there, and I will make sure I reply every single question I get right there right now. So please go down the comment section and write me whatever questions you have, and click the first link in the description of this video to get my link to register in Binance if you've not registered in Binance. So if you have any challenge, you try to set up anything, or in trying to start trading your spots in Binance, please do well to drop your questions in the comment section of this video. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for following up, and I would love to see you guys next time. Thank you.